Hey, what's going on, fellow craft nerds? It's Liz, the official craft nerd, and I have got a fun project for you today. Let's get into it. So all you need for this is some of the larger mirrors from the Dollar Tree and a couple of round placemats. These I believe I got from Hobby Lobby. All I did was pop the mirror out of the frame, and as you can see, I am putting a lot of hot glue on the back of this and sticking it right dead center of my placemat here. Now, I felt like it needed just a little bit of extra something, so I took some of this nautical rope. You can use the rope of any kind, any color, from Dollar Tree or wherever. I believe this is a roll that I've had from Amazon for some time now, and just wrap it around the mirror. I mean, it's just giving it a little bit of extra texture, some design, really going for that boho, chic, glam feel, whatever, if that's even a combination. But I just really loved how the contrast looked together. So real quick, guys, if you're new to my channel, I definitely appreciate you stopping by. I hope you stick around, hit that subscribe button below, and make sure to hit that notification bell so it lets you know every time I upload something new. I definitely try to have something new for you guys every single week. But yeah, and if you don't already follow me on Instagram, check me out over there. I did have to restart my page there, so I am under official craft nerd over on Insta, but I definitely would love to see you guys there as well. I post there as regular as I possibly can, but you guys know life gets in the way sometimes. So but yeah, I definitely would love you guys to join in and be a part of my nerdy family here. And the one thing that I didn't actually record that I made for this piece is the tassels. But if you know how to make a tassel, I mean, I use the same rope here to do it, which I loved because the strands feather out so nicely. But you'll see it here in the final picture. But you guys, this was a super simple project. Super easy to do. Throw some command strips on the back, hang those suckers up or pin them up like I did here. And they're gorgeous. So you got to tell me what you think and leave a comment below. And thanks again, guys, for stopping by. I can't wait to see y'all again soon. And stay safe, y'all.